Guys, have you heard of this new currency with BRICS that's literally challenging the US dollar? Guys, this is not a joke. This is some serious stuff because the US dollar as we know it is on the line. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step of what BRICS is, what is their new currency, and how this affects the US dollar. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about BRICS in this new currency. Before we get into the channel, guys, please like and subscribe to the video. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience, and also allows us to leave these likes on, and also allows YouTube to push us within their algorithm. So please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information in this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. In this video, I'm super excited because this video needs to go to the masses because people do not understand the times that we're in our economy, because they are distracted with work, they're distracted with entertainment, and they just being distracted on all levels. They're not really understanding the seriousness of this when it comes to the United States economy. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing first, we want to talk about BRICS and what BRICS is. BRICS stands for, it's an acronym for several countries. It's for Brazil, Russia, India, South Africa, and China. Now, there's been other countries that's been on the waiting list for BRICS, and on their summit late August 2023, which is a few weeks from now, they're going to announce their new gold-backed digital currency. Now, that is a lot because currencies are not backed by gold nowadays. So first of all, putting a currency back on the gold standard will significantly allow the currency to be an increased inflated value than a normal currency, because normal currencies are weighted with inflation and are not weighed or backed by any hard asset. So this new technology, as I've known it, is going to be revolutionary for the global economy. Now, the reason why BRICS is joining up together and coming together against the United States is because the United States has been bullying the global economy for years, decades actually. Let me give you an example. Everything is ran through the SWIFT system. The United States owned the SWIFT system, and all of the global economy from cross-border transactions are all ran through the SWIFT system. The SWIFT system processes quadrillion dollars a year, essentially all of the money. Now, with that being said, the United States handles and control the SWIFT system that process all wires. Now, when a country gets sanctioned by the United States, they are basically cutting the pipeline that they will have with SWIFT. Now, if all countries are using SWIFT to import and export goods, then you are basically cutting off the access to other countries to deliver goods to another country, which is basically starving a country. So let me give an example. During Barack Obama election, what he did was he decided to sanction parts of Africa. The reason he said he sanctioned them was because they did not abide to the homosexual marriages. They basically, Obama said, we need for you to recommend but force your policies on gay marriages to be applied to your community and to your country. South Africa denied it, and Obama sanctioned them, basically starved the country because they did not follow the metrics of what he wanted, basically bullying the system. I don't think that's fair, especially to cut off a whole country just because they do not follow every policy that you demand for them to do. So what do these countries decide to do? They they decided to join together and basically create a currency that's better than the US dollar to combat the sanctions and to combat the bullying that the United States normally apply. Now, guys, that is saying a handful, but I'm going to explain it in an easier term. So basically, when Nixon took us off the gold standard, it basically dramatically lowered our value of our money. But our money stayed strong because the United States dollar is the gold, it is the reserve currency of the world. So if you wanted to basically buy something from China and you are in Russia, you had to use US dollars to do it. So basically, if you want to buy oil from Iran, you have to buy oil in US dollars. So if you are in China needing to buy oil for a country, you have to transfer your Chinese yen to the US dollar and pay for the oil that way. That is basically how the United States kept the power of the dollar alive, because it was the global reserve currency. You had to use it in order to buy goods or services with one another. Even if the United States are not in the transaction, if China wanted to buy oil from Iran, it has nothing to do with the United States. They still have to use the United States dollar to do it. And when you are circulating that many dollars all at one time, you're basically allowing the currency to be stronger and stronger. So with that being said, the United States are losing a lot of their power, because now BRICS is coming with a new digital gold-backed digital currency that is going to allow countries to process transactions with one another without using the SWIFT system or US dollars. Now, they are basically saying that the BRICS new currency is going to be equivalent to 55 US dollars. Guys, that is huge, because basically we are creating a new precedent for the global economy, and this will be the new, in my opinion, global reserve currency, which is going to be the BRICS currency. Now, BRICS have over 25 other applications for other countries that's waiting to jump on board with BRICS and basically be part of this alliance against the United States. Now, let me know in the comments how you feel about this. Do you think that this is going to basically overtake our dollar and our power structure behind the dollar? Or do you think that this is going to be a competitor, a great competitor that basically even the markets? Also, I think that this is going to be a turning point for the United States in how it is ran. Now, if you know anything about third world countries and how the United States dollar compared to other countries, then you can understand the relevance of how the BRICS overtaking the United States dollar by having that much value attached to their currency versus ours. Guys, this is very serious times, and you need to get your house in order. I talked about how you could take advantage of these times, because in my opinion, I honestly think that I'm going to be very, very rich from these new global economic shifts. I've put my family and my portfolio in place to capitalize on the technologies that's behind these systems. Now, if you follow the money, you will put yourself and your family in a great position to basically benefit from these new global systems. Guys, this money is going to move at the fastest way possible. You're going to be able to transact millions, or if not billions of dollars to each country within 3 seconds. Now, SWIFT takes forever for you to actually send money. If you want to send money to China, it might take you a couple days to wire it over there and for it to clear. This new gold-backed digital currency with BRICS is going to clear in 3 seconds, and it's going to cost less than $1 to send. Guys, that is big. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this, guys. Please watch my other videos on how to get rich if you want to take advantage of these systems and how they are working, and get your portfolio in place with these technologies. Guys, until next time, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out.